Hey guys, welcome back, and it's Schleich everyone here. I just came back from riding and I came to a shop nearby and bought a BREYER, and I'm about to show it, so let's get started to the video. So this is my BREYER. He is so cute and gorgeous. Snowman. He's a flea bitten gray. I'll do a close-up in a minute. And his hooves are here, and I can't wait to open him.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to.
And there we go. He is opened and he has his new home. Snowman is absolutely gorgeous. Now let's open these, cut these wires here, and then I'll do some overviews.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just so afraid that I'll be wrong.
I have opened the wires. Cutting did not work. Now we can do the overview of this absolute gorgeous, beautiful horse.
Now I can't get you out of my brain.
So this is Snowman.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I bought two other small stuff. First up is this scrunchie with the cutest pattern ever, some horses on them. And the second thing is this horse bit keychain, the most hilarious thing I've ever seen. It's so cute, and I'm definitely going to put it on my bag. So yeah, this is all the stuff that I bought, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!